Nyonge, ebu wa uchunga. Si nimeanza kushoot. Na ninakaa poa.
Umesweat.
Si sweat. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in the living room and I am seated because I want us to do a very quick haul of our monthly supplies and also our restock. So yeah, aki wewe waambie wanyamaze. So I'll start with what needs to go to the fridge because it's created a mess. So I picked what do we call this? I don't know why when someone picks the camera to shoot, words disappear. So this is beef sausages, and I picked sausages because of my son. What he has been doing whenever we prepare smokies, you ngozi, like anatoa, he peels the smoky and then eats the inside flesh. So that's why I prefer making or getting some sausages. And then I have it's become so messy, and then I have the smokies, and then I have beef brawn, and then I have chicken. This is chicken. It's so bloody here, yani, yeah. So all these I got at a Farmer's Choice shop close to us, or a branch close to us, and I find it affordable rather than getting them in the supermarket. So yeah. And then so next I want to show you guys what we got for, I'll start with our toiletries. So I got Persil, and I got it because it has this 500 grams for free. Although it's really nice. I always go for Persil, Msafi, and Ariel. For me, they work perfectly. But this was on offer, and it's the lavender scent. And Ariel, they didn't have an offer. That's why I didn't pick it. And then this is the lotion we use. Zoe for men. And then I had run out of the shower gel, and I really like the Sedoso, the caramel toffee. It's really nice and smells so good. And then this one I'm restocking. We have another one we've not opened, and Colgate. And then oh my god, I picked the pink ones. No, okay, I'm not, no, they're okay. And then I picked Always. They always come with this piece, and there are two, and I loved these ones. I really loved these ones. I don't know, if only you could get this in just one pack. They're so nice. Again, I went for Morning Fresh. Pride, I don't know what has happened. They don't have the pack anymore. So yeah. Some serviettes. I picked Rosie. I'm trying to put things in this whatever here. And then I picked Roll-On. So it's also Rexona for men. And then I really love the Toilex. It's really nice. So I picked the 10 roll. It was going for 266 bob, and then of course I added a Flora. This, I don't know, this was going for 136. And then the Menengai, of late at I do my shopping at Power Star. Of late it has been having an offer that comes with these 3 bathing soaps. And I added, we have another, actually like 2 more bars, but I just added, this is the 800 grams. So I don't know how much this was going for. I can't remember, but those are the toiletries that I restocked on. So we have, for the toilets, we have a couple that from the previous shopping has Jaisha. So yeah, so I'm just returning them in here. Hizi zingine ni mob. I'm catching up on a premiere as I do the haul. So I got my daughter some cornflakes, although this we will all eat the cornflakes. So this was going for 200 and something, I can't recall. And then Indomie, I don't like this small pack because in order for someone to feel full, you have to take 2 packs. And then got them some jam. Soy sauce, it's the dark one. This is the first time I'm buying soy sauce. I don't know. I'll make sure to show you guys what I prepare it with. And then some apple Minute Maid. And then I got some mala. There's somewhere where we normally take mala in a dairy, and that guy has stopped selling. So before we figure out where we're going to get mala, so I decided to just get 4 packs. Because yeah, we've been missing to have some ugali and mala. So these were 2 numbers, and Nate already has eaten. And then this was also on offer. Okay, I can't remember the price. Struggling to shoot this video because I keep being interrupted. And then I picked this dawat, the blue label. I'm used to picking the green label, but this was on offer, so I decided why not. And then we have some yogurt, and this is the pineapple and coconut. I really like it. It's really nice and sweet. So there were 4 people. My people have already started eating and taking everything. And then this was so I got Weetabix for my son and myself because I love Weetabix, and it came with this pack. And then I got this coconut cream. Okay, the idea of buying this came from Alice Rhythm, and I want to give a shout out to her. Kindly guys, I'll make sure to put her channel name down here. Go subscribe to her channel and let her know that Jane sent you. So I got the idea of buying the coconut cream powder from her, so I thought why not. So I got these 2 packs, and yeah. And then I got the Prestige margarine. This is the vanilla flavor, and I really like it when it comes to even making mandazis. Whenever I put margarine, they just get that vanilla flavor. And then I also got some Reiko cubes. Let me show you something guys. For that, so I always get the Power Star 1 kg sugar. So I got 4 kgs, and the reason why I pick them in a kg is because I don't have enough storage space, and I just prefer it this way. So we have the 4 kgs, and then we got Famila Uji Mix. I used to buy from the cereals, but it used to have some bitter taste, and you could tell it stayed for long. So I decided to be picking the original, the sour porridge Famila, and it's really nice. And I got 2 packs because the last time I got it, my people had porridge. They really love this porridge, and of course I like it as well. And then the next thing that I got, and by the time I'm done doing this haul, I'll be takuwa na kaa vingine. So this is the maize flour that I normally get. This is not Famila. This is Raha Premium Kafagara, and it's 5 kgs. It was going for $5.77. I really like it. So there's a guy there who was trying to convince me to take Oryx, but at Power Star there were no the 2 kgs that I could get, because I told him if at all I could get the 2 kg or 1 kg. So he was advising me to take Oryx, and at Pasta by then they only had 2 5 kgs packs. Actually, they didn't have the 2 kgs, they didn't have the 1 kg. So I just told him, since I'm used to picking Kafagara, let me just pick the one that I'm used to. The next time I go to the supermarket and they've restocked on Oryx, I'll just try. So the next thing that I got, so the next thing I got is this 10 packs, and I really love 10. I don't know, I just love it. And you are buying 2 and getting 500 grams free. So I wondered, I've never seen this. I've never seen this small one, but yeah, it's nice. I really like it. And okay, that's not it yet. I'm telling you, nimejaa tu unga. So the next thing that I got, I'm sure you guys have not seen from that supermarket haul, was rice. So this is 7 kgs Sindano special, and I really like it. So I like Sindano because it's nice and inaivanga poa sana. So I got the rice from the cereal shop, and I also got a couple of cereals. So this is green beans, and I got the idea of buying this from Tina Lois. So I bought, I think this is half a kg, and I'll really try it with rice because it looks really interesting. I'll make sure to show you guys. And then here I have green grams, and this is a 3/4 kg, and cereals have become expensive. Watch it too. And then I got groundnuts. So these are groundnuts, and then this is Kamande 3/4 is going for 175, and then a kilo is going for 200. So for the yellow beans, so I also got some yellow beans. This is 3/4. So one we'll use for githeri, and the other one will boil them as they are. So this is the messy situation I have around this place. So I'm just done doing the haul, and I want to rearrange. So here you can see we have another Weetabix that's not opened, and this is the one that is open. So here on this basin I stock things that will take a while before we open, including the sugar, wheat flour, you can see salt. We have another unopened salt there. No, opened salt. Let me just come closer. So we have, you can see this salt over here, packs of wheat flour. So this will be used very soon. My people nowadays, it's like wameanza kupenda whatever spaghetti. And then these ones are the ones that will take a while before zifunguliwe. So yeah, so that's just how I pack everything. And then so we have the mala that will be going to the fridge. So all this I'll be putting in plain sight where everyone can anaweza fikia, and then put the maize flour in its container. You can see this mess here. So these are all the cereals, and this is the rice, and also this cocoa powder that needs to go there. And then on this, Nate is already having yogurt over there. Naona anachukua kila kitu mse. And then I've put all our toiletries over there. So I just want to organize all these and get done. Yeah. So I'll show you once I'm done, because I've done this video before. So I'll catch up with you guys once I'm done organizing.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Look around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you, drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. So long. It's sleeping so long. It's sleeping so long.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there. But I am safe and I am warm.
So for our groceries, I have carrots. These carrots are for... These carrots, look how many they are. I got them at, I think, 60 bob. All this. And the best part of it, they are really big. And then I got tomatoes. These tomatoes are for 100 shillings. And of course, the sizes are always big. And I always get my tomatoes at just one specific place. And then this capsicum, look how big they are. So I got each at 10 bob. So I got 4 of them. And then 2 lemons. So one was also 10 shillings. And then I also got this ginger was 10 bob. And then garlic is really expensive. Garlic was 20 or 15 bob. And then these onions were going for 3 at 10 shillings. So I got for 60 bob, if I'm not wrong. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yes, I got for 60 shillings. And then coriander was going for 5 bob. So this is 5 shillings. So all this is for 10 shillings, is for 20 shillings. So that's all I restocked. And I didn't get potatoes because today is on a Sunday. So the place where we normally get potatoes at a better price, they've closed. So that's it for our groceries. So I don't know how, okay, like you guys will just see how I'll be able to, I'll clean this with vinegar, hopefully imebaki, and then I don't wash the carrots so I'll store the rest. And also I've cleaned the fridge, so I want to store all this back. This was a capsicum left, and these were the only tomatoes that we had. So let's just organize our fridge. So yeah,
Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to late to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, bye.